What's up, guys? Welcome to Revline89. So I just got done from working, and I've actually had a few people over the last 2-3 weeks tell me that the bass and the subwoofer, the amp, the radio, the whole setup in the car is overkill, it's unneeded, and it's quiet, and it was a waste of time working on it. And what some people don't seem to understand, even though I said it in the video and in the title and stuff, the bass is only turned up 30 to 40%. That's it. I don't really care to have it psychotically loud with bass, but I thought, you know what, we're gonna keep it at the I'm gonna turn it up to about 39% bass and the subs, so you guys can hear it at basically 40%. And I got some custom CDs that I just burnt, and we're gonna play some actual bass songs. Before, you know, I played some rap songs that had bass, but they weren't actually songs that are designed to test your bass. So I'm gonna show you guys how it actually sounds. And what just ran across there? Little squirrel. You guys see him? Anyway, so I am going to be running an actual bass song so you guys can hear how loud the bass system actually is on only 40%. In the summertime, we'll probably turn the bass up maximum and do a video for you guys. But why I'm not changing it now is because, for one, there's no point in it. In the summertime when I'm bored, I'll do it, but I don't need it maximum. I like it how I have it set up. It's set up perfectly for me, but let's get started. Alright, so we actually had the battery disconnected, and I'm not going to start the car because the fumes are pretty smelly, but we're just going to turn the ignition on. Hopefully we don't drain the battery from the bass. We might. It's not out of the question. And every time I disconnect the battery, my LED light kit kicks on. Man, it is hard to believe that it's still cold. Okay, let's see. And sadly, this video is going to be copyrighted due to the music that we're about to play. Okay, so in fact, I don't even know if we really have anything. Actually, it probably resetted my whole settings. Yep, it looks like it did because we disconnect the battery. So all of our settings on the actual radio is reset. Oh well. Alright, let's go ahead. So actually the bass might not be as loud. I'm not even sure what track it is. Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, now the equalizer, since it's not set up, we're just gonna set it for dance, I guess, for now. See how it sounds. Alright, now we got the subs are on. Subs are now on. It's vibrating the whole garage. can't sit in there any longer. That's 40% bass. I hope the camera can pick it up good. Jeez. The wall is vibrating that bad. Oh man.
So glad you came. Goodbye yesterday. Your greener than any problem. You turn these.
That is only volume 27. Oh, volume 30. Ah! I gotta hold my ears. Oh my gosh. I don't need respect. I'm the threat. Oh my word. You guys have no idea in person. I don't know if this camera's picking this up. It is. I can't hold. I have to hold my ears closed sitting in here. And this is 40%. Keep that in mind. We'll do an update video in the summer so you can see the bass. 30 volume. It can go higher.
Believe me, spin up to my finger like round ball. I'm a globe trotter.
Maxed out!
No.
Oh, I gotta get out of there. Alright guys,
Look up in the sky.
we're gonna turn the bass off with the press of a button right here. Alright, now we're back to just our stock speaker bass.
When I tell you I ain't gon' take it, I got hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know if I'm gonna make it. That's why I'm undefeated. Undefeated.
Undefeated!
Undisputed, no mistakes are playing big. In the end, you'll all marvel like it's that lit. Don't doubt me, but know about me. It don't look like I'm in the lead with your ignorance. Don't make you say because the worst part.
Alright guys, that's it. That is it. Man, I don't know. We gotta. Oh, jeez, that was too loud. You guys have. I don't think this cam's gonna pick up how loud that really was. I honestly don't. You have no idea. Just like the exhaust, you guys can't understand how loud the exhaust is unless you hear it in person. If you hear this in person, you'd understand. So, because the battery, we drained it. We got to start the car up. So I'm gonna mow, and I'm probably gonna leave the car running. We'll give you guys an exhaust clip here. But geez Louise, it kind of stinks. This video is going to be copyrighted because of the audio, so I can't make no money on this video. So if you guys could please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. That way we can recoup from this, and you guys can follow the build. A lot of cool things coming.